Hi guys, it's me again. I'm back with the microscope. I wanted to show you how to actually put a slide on the microscope and use it correctly. So let's see if I can get my cords all situated here. So here's our microscope. So I have a slide on right now. I'm just going to take that off. Okay. So the first thing you do is you want to set your objective lens to the red one, the shortest one. So you have as much room between you and the stage as possible. You want to lower the stage all the way down. So check it, make sure it's down. Never like twist super hard on it when it's down. It can mess up the rack stops, which stops the stage from going too high or too low, and it can really mess things up. So you always want to be gentle with it. When it stops, let it stop. Don't try and force it. Okay, so when you get your slide, it comes usually in a plastic case like this, but not always. Just keep it safe. And so you never want to hold it like over the ground when you open it. You always want to hold it near the table so that if it pops out, it's not going to break. Slides are usually made of glass, so they will break if you drop them. So I'm going to hold it down low. I'm just opening the case. I know you can't really see, and getting the slide out. So here's the slide. The part with the writing on it, when you're using a prepared slide like this one, is always the top. So I'm going to take it like this, and I'm going to lay it gently at the front of the stage. All right, then I'm going to use my thumbs to push up on the stage clips and slide this under so that the little speck of elodea leaf is on the little hole in the stage. So if you look, okay, it looks like that. It's not centered on the stage, but it is over the hole. The elodea leaf part, that's this part here. It has to be over the hole the light comes through, the piece of glass. All right. So if you notice on this slide, it's not right in the middle of the slide. It's off to the side. And so when you are putting it on the microscope, you have to take that into consideration and make sure that little bit of leaf is in the center, not the center of the slide. So again, laying it on the edge of the stage, using my thumbs to pull up with the clips. Laying it so the elodea leaf is under. All right. And then before I start trying to focus, I'm just going to raise the stage all the way up using the coarse focus. And then I'm going to look through and make small adjustments until it looks right, which it does. And in a moment, the next video is going to show you what I'm seeing. I'm not high-tech enough to put the two together. Not a pro YouTuber here, you guys. Okay, so this video shows you what it looks like from the outside, and the next video will show you what I'm seeing. And then I'm going to switch to yellow. That's the medium-sized lens. I'm going to adjust again. I'm starting with coarse, but then I'm going to switch to fine. And I am only having to make tiny movements. Once you get it adjusted for red, you're pretty much good. All right, and then I'm going to switch to blue. This time I'm just going to use the fine. There we go. Ooh, that's a pretty cell right there. Oh, that one's prettier than the one I have in my video. You can see the nucleus. You can see the chloroplast. That is a good looking plant cell right there. I may take a picture of this one, you guys, when I finish with this video. So once you've done that, you just do the same process in reverse. To go back, you click it back over to red. You lower the stage all the way down. And then you lift the clips and slide it off. I'm not going to show you because I actually do want to get a picture of that plant cell because, boy, have I lined that up perfectly. It looks good. All right. So, but you just lower it back, put it back to red, lower the stage all the way down, and pull the slide off, and you are done. Okay, so that's what it looks like from the outside. So the next video will show you what I'm seeing when I look through the lens as I do this. And then the video after that will show you what it looks like when I do it with animal cells. Okay, which are human cheek cells. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.